I rushed Udela to the hospital this morning. Udela. We are going to brush no Udela. No, we show Udela. Did I hear that Udela or Udele was rushed to the emergency department? No longer. Udela. What can we do to save you from this predicament? Agwala mogagwa niyerege megio agwala niyerege megio agwala mogagwa. Guys, share this program. Share. Click love. Share. Draw. I gonna celebrate. I gonna ngumanya na Ili Ishi udela. Apina zelo bitters. You see these zelo bitters? That is the only remedy. Anum ne we he ha na agwo. Ona agwo onye nwere heart attack. Ona agwo nwoke enwe ha mu. Ona agwo infection. Ụmụnwaanyị ndị agwụ toilet infection. On our many things. Information reaching me now is that Udela is hospitalized. Udela is hospitalized. All information I'm waiting now. Yeah, I just news to me now. Udela no katara collapse. And now, what is the problem? Udela na lose. Once you know get by here. Nani petition. Nani statement actually they came yesterday. Udela just spam Udela relax na here. Ana chobe share resuscitate Udela. Ana boy egwu. I am telling you, emazi hemen achowazi odogwu bit, achowazi zero bitters. Ana achowazi zero bitters. You what go? Yagam na Jushi. And Udela, why are you deleting your Telegram information? Don't you know that people have already downloaded it? Why are you deleting all the information how you shared in the Telegram? Why are you deleting those things? I don't know your admin. Are you trying to be smart or not? That our situation before we downloaded those things. I don't know. Your admin is playing a very cheap smart. Udela was rushed to emergency this morning as I speak to you now. Udela collapse. Just gene. That's small movie. And let me remind you, don't forget that you accuse you accuse and I've already told my brother, please don't forget to submit your own application. And the information reaching me is that we have contacted Bianca. You know, in my trouble name, you get to know people. You know, people that I'm beginning to know this time around is what I needed. I needed this kind of people. They may believe why beginning to know them because of stupidity. Udela, let me tell you, what about to hit on? Problem. No again nemo. The most beautiful if monkey no fine, mama like them. Yashim the most beautiful she Yashim again. I'm calling you for an emergency landing. That's yes. I jabo yo nyoshi moto ndem amadim no mere video self una mana wa gbata ife mere video ebe ndem madu na eburu moto ya ship moto people are na eburu moto na ebula na Mexico ya the same thing no putara na akpo this man owo nyoshi owe criminal ashimia please yes send them the thing that I will come and look into that video. Una dey aware that one go ata afifia ofunna eji nwoke na ewu njem onu odogwu no number nwoke kachi beyamma Ngboto ofu ogaranya ma Jesus. Uno man o mere video telling his own Our people is the worst people to do business with. Our people will corrupt to another person, will corrupt the person that will make a business. Yeah, with this guy able to put it on social media. What Ozuroshi is a scammer. This thief, this thing, and Udela. This because Sharon on this video click no love. But Udela was rushed to emergency department. Udela will be hero. Akalamuna. I don't want you to pay me yet. Akalamuna. No pay me yet. I don't know this one. No, but John White. Am I home go? That confuses John White. Okay. Okay. Confusion. The man in the road, but you go for 100 years. Defend the stupidity. You don't need to stay there to waste time. Take available flights. Go to Nigeria. You know, social media will not help you now. No governor, no president. Take available because Aka do de la Kaka. I'm just being honest with you. You do get me now. Take available flight. Go and meet Udela. No, they consult nuisance as okay. Okay, no le wana manobo. Go and do the needful and stop making another mess on yourself up. Oh, they like getting mega gije fence getting mega gije delete that man on the Facebook. You are just a fool. Up when anybody get me something or that download you go explain tire. I go you know what got affairs in go shi. I go you want affair when you ebona ebubuteshi moto nusunia over 30 something cars in them madam. People who in them mother hijack at this thing to tell you the level of wickedness in the bani winning. I'm gonna make an enter, no say you carry big truck because no it's this your 911 car. Ona hukwara ebe nwa gata afifia na ebubuteshi moto ni ne hapogoyoshi. Nani sacrifice get pussy again. Una jenu na wall nwa agata even I'm share video ya have to look for that video share. Kunu jiri anyi unu hurebe were la moto nde mmadu. Nwa agata fifa kwuru ugwo ya were moto nde mmadu dowacha n'ime ohia ana change out Chineke nde ba anyi. Why you no but anywhere una corrupt to others una ha kwa aru. Why? Moto madi and the man is na return channel almost ego ana akpo nwa agata fi onyocho. Oh, ndebanye. Ndebanye kemgbe problem anya ga-ebi n'aka anyị. Ana akpo wata nwa agata iwonyoshi. That is why I hate some people. Inu hana news. You know, something because you know the too naive in nature, too naive, too you know got condemn. That's why information all about you observe it without taking your time to investigate. Go to one got afifia. They video the man I think a week ago 2 weeks. Tag on about them neck and odia. They le moto ya na ebuputeshi. Buputeshe babia ewete title change the title ship moto na Mexico moto nde mmadu ship moto change ana title ship moto nde mmadu to na Mexico. No, social media should not become because more are coming. Social media should not become but the less man should be coming to be doing video. Calling Ebuko, be calling me. Ebony. And when nobody should be no they come know me. Make nobody should become and what point got the come on at this time everybody should rise up. Be from this year to upper year coming. Banangagaka. So I don't call my brother Wagata. That's the most beautiful. That's my show in many. Many. But lawyer get go issue my petition ya already. Cause proof for Ishi bro nyoshi. Now me they contact everybody. The reason why they tell you now, okay, man, no more problem unu. So what's that attack? Now me open on biggest wahala. And I may put your name back home because I want to get me shake him. I know from 2019 today nobody does nothing. I will throw you to court because I never booze at cho. Everything is is well recorded. You want to go? So each we go drag ourselves. So all this and that, all this and that, bleach and all this local when we have pastor, there will always be a standby talk. Like a passerby talk. You just got to pro her because they are no and was in the high class definition of saga. Saga, federal government, state governors and senators. Eba kam us ndemo na ha na ekwu na. Siga mati na mawu so obere mmadu. E wotago una bugala buru mebe ma cho hiru. Ebe me expect na am ga eru no wa. So you know say where una carry me dey go now. To an extent una buru om Zion. Buru om ma water of daddy. Daddy kam na na ekusi. E wotago so the level where they na no be level that chikote ekpo no. I don't pass that level no. I know they even pay attention to awe me ikogu chuma bia loroge gaga proof for him eku ebe mu na besu federal and highway government na ina watagozi so at least ham now some of them now they watch me no na carry me go where I don't want go so that's all life today no na carry me enter Akuzayan. I don't even know person will be Akuzayan. From Akuzayan they lick me. And they everybody they lick each other. You want to link you. Networking. We just a network problem. Network connection. That is how life should be. Agwarangi, who are your follow? Who do you follow? Who are your members? Don't you name associate with? I don't know. Now me there. Even the 10 calls I receive, I'll be so best. So you know me. Actually, I know you. I'm not saying you there like okay. If you can't beat Queen, you join me. What choice? Old soldier never die. And what I got, you can't teach an old dog a new trick. Believe it or not. Deal with it. You now watch him back when not of my business. And what I got, and when I level on pass now, I don't pass. Share, click love. Share, click love. No, na carry me and senator they call me, governor they call me now. And I when see phone call with governors and senators all the panisy. So for you to know now, apugom sagom ajo federal anaruaka. You feel me? Siga mana okwa karigo okwa. Se na eche mu bia na owo ana mgbe emecha set abia kpuru unu ofu. Una ga akọwa ihe unu na aka. Too much talk no day for nonsense anymore. You want to go? Udela, why did you faint today? I am the jog. Can you manage you faint here? You want to go? Can you manage you knock at this one? I get beats, get a gagirini. And you go pagesh a gagirini. And you get say you must eat it all. That is where you belong now. Our bank keep belong now. And when you way mom, waka, you are not a seizure patient. The sure nice make a penyogi, manana ma penyuzina, charema penyogi, because we need to filter our followers. Oh yeah, baba. Get none of them make pam and I'm I rush like to hospital. Here now go no more are coming out. Nobody should relax. So everybody should Matthias your own is I get revisit again. Now me they push them. Actually, kanda your followers. Ndawu your omenelu Omenala. Actually, kahabia risk. Your own is coming. It's cooking. You can't get away from it. Ige puko buko bijiri me fake profile. Kushina onya buru fake amume apoke anga orukula no mume. E una that mama muchu. Itagide buko bi eburugi na nke na akpo bites ebere m na emere gi se fa na melegi asabody na ari keta ye change. I was thinking in with a common sense. Obites but I tell me with Bruce sense. I'm na sense again when common one. You want tala? Get buru mama again you page mborogu. Ibere ime your this thing commercial. Again you page mborogu again you mborogu. As soon as they fight Ebukobi, as we will be die hard, Ebukobi go the fight on. No peace for the wicked. Ebunushina Igbo aga ngunu na minute obonuko. Na ihe oma ga bata na ala Igbo. O wuke kwuru na akpụrụ gị ana apịa na financial expenses gị ana apịa na social media. Agbara m unu the best way to deal with all these nuisance cities, all these rubbish people who through their cripple them, disable them financially, and we borrow her. That is the best way to deal with the people. You want to go? Eat like I idea. Got that idea go. You want to? I told them social media they quiet because they quiet. Nobody die yet. I won't be going yet. We are just starting. Him na korogi with somebody ma. Him na korogi with him ma man very well. Click love and share. Click love and share because they are reporting my video. You want to go? So on your language again, I to mark my words. Ya won't this year, but game because it's being put to action. He get put with the cut order. So nobody got sugar. He did not get order. I never try any the level. You want to go? So okay, they are aware. Now more things are coming. So onya bako loso. Onya labido tawanu ni ise. Tawanu na no tawanu na 20. Ime eburumu no ihe amuma. Opono shina amuma di here, but I prophesied on this matter almost how many months ago. When I don't return abi matter abi night. It don't happen. Nobody should run. Onya wola jirinji para. Are you not a man? And Igbo, as a brother you are, make I tell you, stay away from this case. And I like you as a person. And I'm a chef him madume anymore. Stay away from anything that has to do with Ebukobi. As somebody I like them because I get them mawu today. If you don't like church, do your Omenala and leave Ebukobi alone. I'm a Solomon Jagwagi here. Because of when I get the number. Because the kind heat that is coming is not a joke. I don't want you to be. Na me the peak, oh. Na me go the peak, they submit. I submit. I'm a very straightforward person. Igbo have once been a friend. When I was opening my hotel, okay, Mbaka is coming for Unegi. Go and call Mbaka Shinga up until then. My hotel, Igbo was there to pay me to pay that respect as a brother. And I'm a chef on your from all to do me and the money. But you that boy we will stay away. I'm going to give you okpu. I told him at least the most wanted and will be wanted. With the reality, stay away from me basare Ebukobi. No they discuss about Ebukobi. I'm a son him Kwabogagi. When I get the number, show him Ishi, no get your major lagi. Because he made your bemo. You were a nice person to me, and the Kambagi in Omenala like face Omenala. We must not believe in the same thing, but let's respect each other. Leave Ebukobi matter alone. Because Ndi Igbo they will write petition against Ijele go. Stay clear. Zion no block anybody not to succeed. Zion do not block anybody not to succeed. Do your Omenala and leave Ebukobi alone. We agwapalamoge manu jashi oje chita him manu mene geshi kama otu okwa him jipo agbagagi ya now. Stay clear. Stay clear. I don't tell you. Now, Udela, you ban Udela shialia. Nobody will pay for that hospital bill. You're having heart attack. It doesn't. You go my prayer is that you my prayer is that everything. Oh no, we will come to go to God. You said, why are we rejoicing? I begin to ask you, are you still don't know you Igbo? I need to know that you used to campaign for Mazen Nandekano. Call has to go give bribe. Or you put not because of church, change your stand. This is a guy that came out. Oh no, Igbo, I knew when you was campaigning for Nandekano. I want to ask you this question. You want to go? I knew when everybody came out, Nandekano will go, Nandekano will die. This monster, this Amusu, this Ekwensu, this Idotamuru, where Obi Ekwensu and Udela, Tinya no Obi, came out to your master. I thought everybody should be loyal. In your lagebu master, you stay away from it. In your lagebu somebody you love, no matter. When we were growing up, that only na magadema, and I get a family here. No matter how nice the person, because Ishi. Now my surprise is that oh no Igbo. Nandekano that you every day get put campaign for. Does it mean that you're doing it for eye service? Does it mean that Oshiginobi you are claiming for followers then? I'm gonna follow me Kajuga Gajujo. Ojisare mama man na here we blue, ya cha blue. Here we white, ya cha white. all of a sudden now you are campaigning for somebody that vowed to kweme all Igbo boys. That vowed to kweme to make sure that because of religion you don't believe in. Can't you have principles as a man? Can't you have principle in you? Can't you have ethics as a man that this is what I stand for? No matter what, nothing can shift me. Is that how gullible? Is that how easily you guys can be manipulated? Because of religion, because of you don't agree what Ebukobi does. While Odela has sacrificed his life to make sure that Umi Igbo, crime money not committed or Umi Igbo. Crime not come, and we handle Buge Mudela all the wrong. Now I begin to ask, are you just camouflaging to follow Nandekano and loving Nandekano, or are you confused? Or are you Can you know am I not making sense? Am I still not making sense? Yeah? Na mastagi in Yolane way mastagi wegane wegi. Somebody that you say that Nandekano is another savior. You have sung that song several times. So you have sung out those songs several times. Now your platform. Oh no. Eh? Why are you guys so confused and lost in nature? Can you hear me? Brain disappear sometimes. And when I say something, can't we stand upright and say what is right? Okay, oh, you no good for my mouth. Oh yeah, bye bye. Bye bye, goodbye. Nandekano is another savior. Holy, 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 holy. Your savior. The best thing that will happen to him will savior. And they know we got. Even you should be one of the first person. Now this monster, everybody arrest. Why people rejoicing? Oh no, I am disappointed. I am highly disappointed. Now, something like this, they got put out to anchor a program about it. How many people can this Udela put and rejoice and Emery Harris? J-Pack is number 1. Many more. Struggle for this. Biafra. This guy got put and glorified that Ababula Madu. Get where the mind to where they go to put a why I would just say, oh no, oh my God to him. Oh my God to him. Oh my God to him. Why are you? How good they like him talk? Must you support this monster? Must you support this Amusu? Eh? Just because of church, just because of you don't believe in this Oka. Now Dela has become one number 1. May God have mercy upon Una. None can deny rebel. Udela putane glorify she nakpaye endialan okwa the same person na she holy nande ka ichefole bugi. Ashukwa can remind you no because Ndi Igbo na forget very fast. Very fast. Mekuna rest. Ya hunu dela. Iye ni no mere ndi mmadu ebuponi no bre lies upon lies. So you want to tell me that Udela Potara may governor Joko arrest no negidere ebona aru nya watakiro obere na akike ko re pro watakiro obere and the guy hunya yare gemma Udela. Sorry, ono Manu make such accusation. Udela Potara accused me that my father repurumu. Potara accused me that I'm on embassy children. Is any of this thing exist? Udela Potara bopute just slap so Potara nebuya be Instagram about bio Telegram why would you delete those things? Bio Telegram auto get your Potara ne oge kwi ho jirike go tonne ya oge kwi ho jirike go tonne ya. So so all this crime this guy in our committee he just want to use it as fighting talker. I should support you on this. May honor Hijil you support me on this. May I be again. Come on, get out of here. Nda pare. Nda may be hajeje. Confused followers. He support me on this. Support me on this. On to Guinea. You could say support you. Come on, go where you belong. Come on, go where you there. Support me on this under genege. Comment that you support me on this. You support only on this. Ndara. People that don't know their focus, don't know their direction. Oh, this so lost. So lost. Udelapo wanna support you on this. They follow because he is stupid. You don't know your stand. You don't know your stand. Man, it have million. Dala. They who concentration in their life. They who focus. Where are the men? When you guys present on your woman, then I will know how to respect the person. Where are they? Who are they? Name them, make us see. Support who on this one? Support me on this one. I say, okay, you have been a bad person. He support for effort Shinga for his son. Shinga for his son. Ndala. Echinage who de like she support you on this one. Bami who de like me aregema. Onye wishiri o did not swallow you hopuru. Na wishiri na the canon. Opali your leader. He support. Ashim make a one on. I know they like to see this comment too. Okay, what again managa comment la comment that Ili Ji shin. Ndala. Ndala. Come on. Comment onya namana mushi gaf voice. Have you ever seen me join crowd? I'm always a one man sport. And I like it, hate it. The fact remains that here always yoku. It may not favor you, but I agree that always yoku. Una who this ekwensu tormenting because una who's in the canon they broadcast it. Who they believe that he's not coming out, and by then you need to choose another leader. Oh, no, not him, Jashi. Any man money can buy. Any man common 5 million, 10 million, 3 million can buy. He's not a man. He's not man enough. I don't do things with people like that. No. Oh, you just shaking way go so wage you got for. Struggle. Get your own shit. Wage you got for. So nobody can use material things to maneuver your brain. Or to maneuver your reasoning, or give away a shock, get no way shoku. In on go, dele me, hope or the mark Hughes, non a boom mad, non a menka. A Potabia defend the other governor. Oh no, will not enter where you no go like come out. No enter where you will not like to come out. Or Bianca one your first time to talk to this woman, I was so the woman know the soft spoken. Oh God. Udelega who hit or biati. Elola nanka. Elola nanka. One guata. Meeting you was meeting you then was one of the best things that we put. Even still being a brother now. He's still alive. Onye gura gị na nwa guata na Bianca di utan igekwe. Get with mmadụ na eme ya accused for no reason. No jikwara di na onya. Your days has been numbered, but they've been searching your address. When they show you indeed. Everybody they have been searching your address. They said they're like nobody you don't acknowledge it because when you may disclose the them with their address that yes. That day, it carry mom. Oh, yeah, to one year, go to her page, report it. Opposite address, opposite passport. I needed your passport. Get travel here again, come. Get travel, mechagi. Will try your problem, no wa. It will try your problem, no wa. Yamata that. Also, wonu hana joining it. And accuse me for what I didn't do. Any opportunity I will smoke all of you to death. Unless my will get you kenjaka. Only chadunu warobi. But this is how I get mind. All of you joining a palace of fools. Gata. Still, it's not only have the whole remorse about the crime on committed. I swear with my God who made me. I swear with God who made me. Any opportunity that I get, you guys are going in for it. Makachi keremono ndala. So uno think una mama no owumbo oburu ko japon. Owumbo oburu ko japon. Owumbo oburu ko japon. Ndala. Udela, you started in 2019 with Palace of Fools. Some people na give bitro. When you guys were in groups, you put on your carpet. All of you. Unless I'm on your name Ishagama. Ndala. Ekwensu. Bunch of evils. Una plan ya one woman. Una can't get up. Lies upon lies. Una think it's 2019? Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Ya wuri you no can get pozo governor Nigeria Zoya. Mwete ya uzola ya. I will pay back with bloody soul. Makachine kenna. Una makonyo no na emekori iho. Unless we know we prone today, and I will never revenge. Come quick, and I'm mezono. All the lies. Osubuno gadarane one after another. Well, let's make permanent. Let's make permanent. Will I will ever let go? Any opportunity more. If that opportunity favor me, Makachi you go kwete. Ige kwete. Ndala. So guys, on that note, Udela was rushed to emergency this morning as I'm talking to you. You got to know the Lion area. Why was he rushed to emergency? Udela, please click love and like and share. Click love and like and share. Click love and like and share because they are reporting my video. Click love and share. They won't. Click love, share. Udela. And here when another thing I'm choriku. Basara Casey Ken Senegal. When another thing I'm choriku. You know, I'm a very straightforward being. It doesn't matter who is siding me and who is against me. I will always stand upright. Waja. I'm like you respect madam. I'm cheno nya brain. I'm like you respect people. Waja. Can you tell people the truth about Ken case? You want to give people the truth about Ken case? That is why nobody Ken no go survive this thing. Because all of you wake up go wound Ishioku. Waja, can you tell people that Nanda Senegal again anahe mepeko to ha tio president ha po na who case no judge, no lawyer is sitting at the moment. Can you tell people the truth? Somebody from Ndanyana ha with a case. Our case file is still active. Our case file is still active. The woman called us yesterday. The woman is Shimo. Even the police officer that handled the case was connected. Actually, do we know that Egidana Ken? And yet pretend like we don't know. We said no. Na case file ya Patagon and the case ya that choga moped. Then when they share Nigeria. When I see again, I just pray that God will make you get out of this thing. Then when people push from Nigeria, that's equal the more petition. Now, deal with the problem now. Their president and Atogakapo, and when who no court sitting anywhere. Now anybody guarani, then when a court sitting so far, no nyahuna toasha. That's not that if you are contributing money, now you regard contributor on our head. Now people guanike we shoku. Now when you work in an aga funde Nigeria with a problem. Now came when I agabe because of that thing. That they should tell you guys the truth. Just know what I don't know on a mission. I don't know on him to some important questions. Maju and I show you. Waja what the matter is yoku. Do Ishi in Aga Senegal gidi jigi. You said you're a rich man. Take a flight, go to Senegal. I am Kuragwam. Setenu Ken video born on a imenga. Ona akorelu akorala. The woman but I need that anybody that is saying that and I got called to give anybody 6 months. 6 months, 9 years, 6 months before the Ekumoku sitting. So make una know they come they lie and tell us on this social media. I no go grieve for them all. I no go grieve for them. One of them man is yoku. And the one of people who name how can I do them man? How much did you raise? I go like you raise. Now one of people how much you have recovered in that account. We need to know. How many people and how many people TB? That is a bone of contention here. Can in a man them mother. Oh, and what when you Lego bottle, and a go, and a wapota, go up with 5 billion. Who not you will put a 1 year goal in there. As soon as they matter accused. Now we're going on Yahoo. Be 5 billion or 10 billion upon your the account, and you guys don't want to tell us the truth. Yeah? And when a 5 billion inside the account, and what about try to buy go later so far? So we're gonna any updates. Can you go inside the account? So all can go and what call cities anywhere in Senegal. Anna strike now, according to them, has the president and a change and Hanish Young say, what will George na be egg happen there on Tigene further notice. What do people go as Yoku? In your hand, and that's what in your again. Click love and share the video. Let's continue our matter. Click love and share the video. I got continue to men again now what people can as Yoku. Zero bitters, my own. Can Messi announce my own 0 bitters. If you want to be a worker, you base in Enugu, Enugu State in Ine. I am covering 0 bitters in Enugu State in Ine. Gonna cover all Enugu State. Enugu Ebemwela. So if you want 0 bitters, if you want a job, we create jobs. There is jobs to create. So if you are interested, state in Enugu, I did not take Imo State for one reason. Went on to me. A friend of mine took Anambra State. So we are on the things already and made dispatch over there. Enugu is where I belong. If you based in Enugu, if you need a job, count on me. Is my own will get based on commission. How many people you were able to get? All the things. So I'm Enugu State. I'm the one covering all Enugu states. So for your own information, Iye udelani dirina uzoro bitasia. Hoji bano weyuru. Oh hega boy ora. So I can go udela. Efentis like get up. I don't mean it. I'm going my own state. Okay, your own state will be. State will be. PJ state. 0 bitters. Almost Enugu State. All Enugu states. Queen is covering it. Yes. I paid my dues. Akuchana Mogwam today. Akuchana Mogwam today. So I am free. I should be Shempucharobam can get my announce. I don't pay, I don't finish. So now, here I go. So 0 bitters, Enugu State, Bakam. Here I come and here I go. So let's do it. Let's make it work. Let's create jobs. Let's make it work. They won't know. So Dela, on your last support to Ishi. You have mocked people. You have rejoiced on people's predicaments. You have seek for the person that they make it. So Anamaju, where are you guys' loyalty? Okay, loyalty. You see why I said that none of you is none of you the real. None of you the real. All of you are not real. And when you get the real. So don't forget to go and get your 0 bitters in Enugu State. We're going to announce it. Anybody, all these retailers and all these bar hotels and all that, you can come and carry and make it work. And then 0 bitters and on a kwamu, on a quarto. Sorry, actually I make it not to but I don't know how to stop it. I am praying to God to intervene. What I go? Fandana last silly. What I go? So, all can it initiate me? In car tested and trusted. So, for those of you that need it to be powering you, do it. Udela, in a faint like a little, if faint liter. If you faint finish, you get up. We don't care about your fainting. If faint billion. Okay, tell us we need this drink to come to this part of the world. Which part of the world? Ebeki base. Where do you base? Where do you base? Ebeki base. Yes. Enugu, here I come. Ndenugu, here I come. Ndenugu, here I come. Ndenugu. Eba kaine me Ndi Igbo. So here we go. In US, maybe here. I could need to go a lot of process. I've told him what to do. I'll go a lot of process. And I put a liquor here anyhow. Liquor, sorry. And I put a liquor. And I put a liquor here anyhow. So it takes a long process. And that command mega way citizen before you gain such rights. Man mega way citizen apply for agriculture. I will tell him how to do. Maybe I will apply for it, but it's a lot of money, and they have to know somebody that will approve you. So if I can get that liquor license, I could be one of the richest man in the whole world. Yacho, I'm a citizen. I can apply for. Yacho, if I could want, it's up to him now. It's up to my brother. We can work towards it. We have it in the UK already. I'm on the process in the UK, my dear. Before I get anything alcohol, unless I'm get booger store, they want a liquor license already. I don't know. Obi Cubana bitters are everywhere in the States, and you okay. Yeah, you know how process it can take. I'm not really sure. I'm just giving my own little knowledge. That's all I know about it. So I want to make such connection, you know. It will be very nice. Oh, okay, my brother. Thank you. You live in New York. That's me now. and my Egbu. And my Tamu Pujo. They were Sister Chichi Francisca. And my Tamu Pujo Nyega liar. Is he not all to Kaga Banime? Nobody. I don't mean now. I don't follow crowds. That's one thing about me, because my conscience is something that I value so much. You want to go? So it doesn't matter crowd. They follow this. No. Enjoy your crowd and let me stand on it, because I'm not true to always prevail. Believe it. Live it as the truth. You know? So the guy that brings African food, who brings those drinks. Okay. That would be nice, though. That would be nice, though. Come on, make Konako with a liquor license here. Then me pay shop, ya liquor. Now before I get with the liquor license, hey, nah, I go on that, you know. But a Nicolano gear. Again, when somebody that knows before you apply for, I think you put down $10,000 before you apply for something like that. You know, there was a time I acquired for it. Liquor license. We need it in Europe, Italy. I could give me Dallas, Texas. I could give you Dallas. Dallas, Texas. Okay, that would be nice. That would be so nice. Okay, man, I like it in business. You know, so I be an Anambra baby now. So the thing they run in my blood like no man's business. I like business like crazy. Before this year ended, I may push a lot of my businesses online. You know, Ishi to like you go there. Isiagu like you go. So Enugu na we get them, na me get them. I couldn't get Anambra because in the Kamike Bawaramaka. I wanted somebody Anambra, so I wasn't interested in Anambra own. I am interested in Anambra own actually, because when somebody reliable there. Some people are so stupid. They will just come out and just go by their way. Now, my iPhone in a turn. I just am Apple store now. My phone refused to turn off. Now, mommy, I'm more virus calling. I don't understand. My iPhone 5, my iPhone 15. Sorry. The thing I do, like, maybe here maybe to turn it off. Yeah, I don't know. The thing popped out here. Maybe. And maybe Melumalas, I'm going to. We need it here in Mozambique. I can on Mozambique, so my mama how to do it. I was once in Mozambique. So I'm going to their store. Honey, maybe by 10, but I don't mind. Choma, how are you? That's how it is. It may take years to get justice, but keep standing on your truth. It may take years. Don't be afraid. So waja put one them mad joke when head the court to Senegal so far now. People want to be mega because the bad chop take away joke we have one problem. Come and tell the world okay we joke that the reason why Ijele Senegal was that you know that when we call to Senegal City Ghana, nobody is sitting in court for the next 6 months. Now, actually, like a president happen before the court will resume. But people look at with the truth. You know, tell people the truth. I am not just. I want to and when you not court, they are lying. No court, nowhere. Somebody called us. When you get where you now you try to continue with the case. Sure, one case him not continue. And one more time they continue with any case. You know? Then I continue, I continue. That's it. Only one I'm gonna wait there, you know. So I should give when I knew with a case in Nigeria. When I'm with a case with Ken, that's they're gonna ask you in next 6 hours. The woman should not get any updates. The same woman now can at that time. Not gonna any updates. But the court to get Gabia, but only a lot of pack your information in Abia, you know, Naga bagging because that's how it is there. So anybody where they tell you, anybody where they tell you say there's a court sitting, that is this, that person is lying to you. You know, that person is lying, practically lying. That they won't hear it now. How do I contact your Enugu manager? I'm interested. Oh, okay. No wahala. You have my WhatsApp now. You reach me. I pass the information to them. You know. So that is it. Yeah, and they give me retails. All those people that will carry on retail, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is everywhere. That's already be in retail. I'm one all Enugu state. Because I signed it and documented it. Nobody should sell except me. Nobody. You don't have the rights. You have to collect from me. On state you will protect yanke. I want another place in Gachime and Lagos. Me all Lagos. But then when I want to me, I won't go and when somebody that I can trust. When I Jim Rio Jobo, the Nigeria no Jobo too much. Yeah, actually, when they better with the petition, I will when he call file I like here. According to the woman, actually when they will trade their petition, I will file. I will with the here. So I should tell people the truth. Now Sunday file the recent petition. How go there all pass by down them flush inside toilet. They are no longer worthy to be recognized. They are nothing. They are bush nothing. I deal with high frequencies now. I'm an anda ogalanya but I'm anda ogalanya when time with motion omobirala beke the human trafficker all those rubbish baga puna like bleach bagida puna upon at the age of 50 something years yagawa chongo kogaru when you get pay on well that's life is onye make them baga shower when you pass all the Google, you know. Akona lawo lanka ya na-ebe nye na gogo ge ke ga gala ichogonye ge na ga the messed up and I go ikpugi everywhere a shower in a go shikpugi or do on a cha what I mean that a penny I will be everlasting oga put abi go again iyem pono them pono. They can never repent the same. And let her. I know maybe that's a but less the new advice. She, I can make on a Facebook. Coco, on your bono. You would yara. I got put a barrier again. I'm not telling her. I don't know. I got the video been broken on. Here a question name moon. Nearing them broken on is happening. Now, Panko and Ishi Emily. Here a question name moon. Everything I even a book was moon ne. Until on put up with you poo. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm getting a wound way to go Japan. Is it happening or is not? Oh, yeah. Okay, make it until this life end there. And when any opportunity that I will not fight back. More. Ooh, next time. On your show no pota fabricate ya okpu na onu mmadu. Ogu na fabricate ya okpu na onwe anybody mere nobody. When onye ike no get sit here down. Ya we fabricate his story. Unless man will never meet intelligent fool. Him game mayor. Ah, God in heaven. Unless man go under hidden for the rest of his life. I can make even if the passing through just a small thing. I don't know where police again. God. You remain on hiding, no. You remain hiding or whatever you put it. Remain hiding for the rest of your life. Because any day, and I'm making investigate matter family, matter anything about you, eh? It will not say when I get mind. And I never see chomchin. Can chilling in Alabeke? I know now. What man? On your last only so like he gave you. Today we caught Abuja. I'll be giving updates soon. Abuja. How far? Now me and you. I'm a kujigi fay malo. No one you need to get a bulk. Anyhow, I'm a different species. I don't need a threat to chat. Need a threat and a cha. This woman, I don't know what you think you are. I don't know what is giving you this. I God. I call an account again. Shake him. 150,000 very poor at it. Not Abuja. I'm not supposed to be saying this because I'm already confidential. Yeah, no, they look Facebook could not shy. Facebook, if they look fake, not these fake people on Facebook, you go Facebook could not shy. Thank God for my instinct though. Thank God for my instinct. Instinct him though they lie me. You know? Okay. Idiot like oh nigga, bye bye. My instinct, you know, they like me when I wear you to be releasing you. Me analyze the wig. Abuja is a broke ass bitch. Udela be careful till I fast to. Because now the la genye au zolo bitters. Oh yeah, go Billy Ogula the only thing they got boy. Okay, Chizukwadike. Naidram na poster man, kaka pro la life. Cause this phone man no fit go home without it being resolved. The Lord is giving. How was that court case today? And what about the full details yet? She got the course. Who will be this one? What is the update? The update of that Udela fainted. Udela was hospitalized and the only result bitters. Watching from London Bridge. Where do we go from? on the legal follow. Ay Chineke. Now God, thank you for the wisdom. Inyere mo. Thank you for the wisdom. Thank you for the wisdom. What the can apple me pelo? So yeah, I'm on a Google time or how is different again. Oh look, okay, maybe. Here we're packing. Maybe get general guy here to. Maybe get general guy and they to. I'm not because I'm here. There is fire on the mountain. Run. A big fire. Oh, Jesus. Guys, say phone more. Just a simple thing. A phone. Emergency turn off. They just taught me easy. I just post on now. Now put a little post on now. Come June. The Bobble stop here. Nga come shina na puta. Ganga fix my phone. Nah, just that fix. My phone refused to turn on for over. So my bad. I just simple thing. I wanted to do live video. I just made a map. Udela, hey, chin agbara mogagba. Udela no want you. Hey. The information reaching me now, I will not say anything. I'm waiting for JPAC. There is fire in the mountain. There is fire on the mountain. There is fire in the bruisers. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm waiting for JPAC. JPAC in them. I'm checking. I go call lady. The cat out of the box. Hey, Udela. Oh, but the less man, I just pity you. You go less. Hey, man, okay. How are you gonna survive this? Hey, Agbara Mugagba. When I no one listen. Why did you guys listen to me? But the sound, okay, you no get anybody. You no get it. Hey. Udela, no want you. Hey, I told me anything not to get back up. I mean, the full load down. No. Hey, I don't agree. Oh, Chineke, thank you for connecting me to the right people. Udela, ndo to get home. I got home. I'm going to share on Facebook. I guess Matthias. Are you ready? Matthias, are you ready for the upcoming go? You don't go come out. Mata. Abra, I come on, keep quiet on a laughly, eh? On no man, Osubunu must enter. All of you. Unu need and when it came, or to tell you for them now, Anna may make calls now. A3 portable sweeter. Next time. How information reaching me now? Udela che. Oh, Imana 3 persons sent from America. When they share America, but when they share London, check Alandre. Oh, Jesus! I'm not talking to Shicheru de Lechere. Because this guy address for releasing the loophole. Too much. Udela, I question him game. He thought I not go do anything. And when he Ndi Igbo Ndi Igbo no onye tubara ge egbe gbaburugi no onye kpụrụ ga ka ọmụ atụrụ ga ka ọmgburugi amkpụrụ ga shi lekwa nge akụrụ lekwa nge a ga-eje nwu age. All these people treating now your fuck up, they are not your problem. I am your big girl. So tell chowara lipolugi. Oh tell luwara sharinga garuagi. Where are they going to locate you? She will have problem the matter. I still remain the queen. Do kalisa kalisa. Omen wike burunde omenala. Umbelelu omenano. Omwa. Ma pegage. Ndeni negen hana pote when get totally baby. May take care ya one day passport, okay, your address, even your room, your apartment room number, my $4 to the right person, okay, case closed. From that day with the beginning of your pain. My brother like Ndi Igbo she with my problem. Because without me, nobody invitation nobody they know where you did. Because they confuse people. Until the eyes of the queen. It didn't post through that may post through your listener address. Chideke, go report Ogechi. Go report her. Go report her. Go report Ogechi. She needs to be reported. Go report her. Report her. Mashi egite gomgi. I was shenangena pamram. Udela, I see they see with me. You go depend on Matthias. Get ready for another bombo titi bo. You go fill up. Iga one yeshiga buramuma brode bukobi buro nyola. Oshino baba magene. Get buru the woman. Buru no the problem. Why must you indirectly or directly to a bukobi case? You know go listen. You must come and tell us. You hear basa case. Una go man. Are you ready? Are you ready? Una de ready. There is no place for any mother ever na this blew up. What I got shaking it. I'm block and when time for rubbish. Block them. I show my okay. I don't know. Come on, shinga for my shower toilet infection. Shouldn't go for it. Toilet infection. Come on, Japan or you're not part of the woman. I'm got one no yan nopa. Oh my gosh, shower do toilet infection on that. Come on, take that. And make open the panuru. We did your tap na koiria. There is fire on the mountain. There is nowhere to run. You gotta jump back inside that fire. You must jump inside that fire. Okay, lepoganya. Now the petition. Could you imagine that somebody took emergency flight from USA? Hey. Oh, Dela. Unanda ni plan and now what to the Uno for my special work. For me being a special work to get on this and this terror that terrorize our people, terrorize our people. None of them be our people. Now she okay, come back to Nigeria could then Nigeria could apprehend now one day I send my don't worry. The information reaching me now can bet you on until Chepa Capita. When you go choke you. Hey, what is it? Is that how this life is? Is that how this life is? Udela. I'll not tell you. And not tell you, even I'm grateful that this is my lap support because I couldn't have been so into this your thing. I couldn't have been so into this your thing because all that laps he decided he get a telegram. All of you, my all of you, get better in another part of the world. Look at that is a lot to back up every nonsense you mean in social media. Onyo la cheraka warombo, mbo diova. You get better. Obodoles man, are you ready to hit me no Nime kokoyo? Isn't I better play a street rubbish wise game. A stupid rubbish wise game. I can't don't talk to Onya na chi who does I shall come on, leave that and know your sister. And if I no love her, waiting again for this life. If I no love her, but another thing again. A man, I'm okay, be a good, Gamache Brigubu. A one okay, ya wapa, less some men and Gabasim when they talk, I see them weak men. Tell me why I will not love her. Why I would not love him. You know he played that local game to us. I need the wise. I need my man. I need man really. It's an always brave. What's a problem? Next time, sobuna balaga. Udela, I got me a poor quantity pack in the map. About the pack, I love. The pack out to Nempo. I'm gonna J pack blood lineage. Le popo le posumini. Chineke quick balloon in your jaw. Ego film. Che, your boy, only Aruna Koro gave banquete. And I'm Nazana Pewage. You can't even try it. You should just stop. Come on, show. You should just stop. Udela. So you are this man. So you don't get anybody. You don't get any bam. We go stand by you. Hey, a body son, your own is the worst. I remember the princess and her doggy. Bear happy problem. Now get girl of yourself get picture princess and machine. Let princess out of this. He handle this in carry princess. No, just the well, I like him princess. Never like him my rugged prince. He get quitted. Not the post princess picture. I don't want you. It has nothing to do with your mess. Deal with it. This lady called you as a brother, as a sister and a brother. Stay away from this mess. Puta, because I've seen the future. Soon. I know that this world is only two parts. I am the lendotia. It's just invitation. Let me see. I'm getting them predicting in this thing just the right time. I don't want to talk, but after I'm bringing my load down. I'm bringing my load down. What's like this? I can just celebrate this wolf arrest straight to court, straight to it. I know everything I told you. Then after I'm gonna chanda on Nigeria faces in the abroad. Is she from London, Germany? By then you guys will learn to mind on our business. But no, banana when no. Enough of those news and sana consult everywhere. That's why it's important to be saving videos. Now videos with them. Save it with no messy. This man I run up my packet with peace. Save lawyer is very, very important. Are you going out? Are you leaving? back can my latest. I can make moon or dates. I am just that one bachara one chefru bo yon nayare. Man nayare. Come remind the area and I know Bodo you back in you. Open Shiriba ticket and a band America Shiriba ticket to Abuja. You know, people just look. Imagine money, you may go let ticket and on. May go the money in my emergency ticket and I run Nigeria because of this idiot. They're the kind of people I'm like when they may hear whoop to Obi or when they show the four women they come, I know they see them. When they show 4 women they come, I know they see them. I like women when in capacity the hearts. Make una show, make am piawuna so. Am piawuna ke wa so piagi ba ma piani egi. They put na one na keep here. She 4 women. She 4 women. Idiots. Punch of touts. I'm just talking. Where unu Bilicha shege can you survive man le bilicha ho belirie. Bilicha biu yesh no bodo yibo. Bilicha ho belirie. Poor thing. A poor rat. Got and join house with somebody else. You know. Then Ishi. Got and join house. You have to ya jolly lote. Very dirty, smelling things everywhere. Not much you can compete. Oh God, you were this smelling things on. They went up. Look at cotton. Oh, you are no dates. Oh, your mom when you home and ask. Very dirty thing. Yaki will put you begin let. Don't worry. Very soon, my water, my house in Abuja. You put in a gun, you put in a millions. When people talk, go and settle your life you left behind. Get back up to Malaysia. Come and go and settle your miserable shit and get the heck out of my face. You won't yara. And when you leave here, passerby nonsense. Or and get a banana. Got your big out the footwear. We they give me garbage. That's what I admit. The ungafe pass by. They got no garbage. Rubbish. Smelling things everywhere. They win. Look at Abuja. Laying account here. Very poor thing. And a man carry noise. Udela. He no chanting at this time. A butcher no ne put on name. Ndala. Fake smelling life. For him, the man was so much. Everybody live fake lives like on. I see they ride my GLE 2024 since January. I see they rent them. I see they ride them. See they ride my GLC 2024. Oh yeah no. What about you? Question about an job. I don't blame on because all of them are fake. Don't worry, my G God, by God's grace, next year, my piano, bakam, neti. Come on, go and sit down. Only calisere. That bunch of thoughts. On them, kind of one hand on the same group. Name making it. No, get Kaganako. Onya pata, Bapata, Bonya Sagata. But I Bonya Sagate, you begin a billions investments. Gathering an queen. That's how they look on who's on our associates. They don't know associate with. Who are your friends? And I keep asking. Why I get to alarm 50,000 in Nigeria like that's useless. You make yourself will just say buy nothing. I'm coming. I got me teach you lesson. Another 200,000 in your gig or get a jizola gewu. It got boy. I know go spare on all of you. Lie. Come on, marry any money. I don't go spend none of you. You don't get paid dearly. Ebe second missionary John be. Diki get Richard Buonwegi. Carry you. Your own is a my case. Kega obedi. On one bit to rake you one. Ono church. Ono me change on a case. Next time ono get better. Who is this people? That Idiot. Stupid things everywhere. Mama Benji meet all these destiny killers. No baby she get meet here. Destiny stains. Do two dela. Then I'm a little delelu. Dela. But I get 10,000. Lady, what do you go? The life for her left to and ran to another person and they make use of their life. Their life to left them, their destiny left them. And hook somebody else their life they live with better than them when they life anyway. You don't got life for man no happy, yeah. That means another person. Yeah, and that's who they are. Bleacher, their destiny left a long time ago and went and hook somebody else. When you hear Jesus and they make living. Have been actually behind a stand in their misery. Machine to get my life from not happy somebody else and now I go get you with you. Nah, coil. Udela, I'm there for your updates. Your current situation is too deadly. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Don't cry. Now, whoever actually the fattest skinny eat the fattest bone. I should get the only way shall see ya. The guinea bone, the innocent dog eat the fattest bone. I not tell you say cool. I don't candy. I don't bojo mankare. Like Iri mankare, Burojo mankare, and a better apa, and I cotara ono. And I cotara ono, and I say that all invitation kagro you la cool down. You are just fooling your old age. Nda, you look at old age gash. Nda, you look at old age gash. You are fooling your old age. Nda, you look go what? Nda, you look at old age gash. You look gash. Oh. Bangwashi usano ichanguruge udela amam chindara cheka le competition imandela la udela trovacho. The patient's dog eat the fattest bone. Thank you. I start to be corrected. Thank you. The patient's dog eat the fattest bone. Yes. That's what I wanted to say. When that you talk about the followers, now, 20 in one room. La Dubai. Now, I just looked. Gaga wouldn't pack now this life I like Nigerian police. My governor, my president, my senator, I love you guys. You guys are too. That's okay. It's quite but we like it. It's quite like it. Udela I could have loved this woman because also no way you can. I'm not now gonna do this time around. How about your problem? I couldn't die. Okay, she can abandon she of course I could. Question man what's here linger about get together now. Question man we didn't just connect. Something connected us. Onye na-eme kam si eme ya ka m na-akpọ oyi mo. Chai! Ofu obi akon chamba. Sister mo she al buy onye na-eme kam si eme. I hope why they can go na me be the first to go see and na me be the last. Oh yeah, what you like they put that. phone and only all around we see they talk. Hey, no there. Hey, I'm there, but the map program I got it the body. I got it after that's okay. Hey, I could little be a girl. I can't obu the less idiot. I can't play. I can't now Jesse and Manele. Manele that. Shaki then they drive for joy to be forcing themselves to know what is going on, why they don't know shit. Here Wako man. I got my car to go. What the last video minute? What you to put? I got my car to go level cozy. I got my boogie. I got my booty shiggy. Okay. Thank God, I will push you to your existence. Back every door. The first address I went to hand with three. Mama went to the address and was totally wrong. Shemba, don't worry, I know how to get the address. Cool on down. Cool on down. When the man went the bagger. When they got packed, Lingam Park, we had them too much. Dimaga Park, yeah. Okay, just happen the motor. See how I just park. I'm gonna fix it for me. I'm gonna parking. They feel me. Yeah, I send someone on a motor. That's it. Ako the more than ezigbo mmadu. Ako imata, you don't need to know any other person. Okay, imata 1 billion. Every other person na chakabo. Every other person na chakabo. If you know, you're good. You're good. Don't need to know any other person. You're good. Ako 1 billion no phone. Ako 1 billion no phone. Naga come on today, sir. I thought I'm not supposed to work. Oh, but I'm on my phone. Okay. I could check. I want to charge you, but I don't want to see Frank. Okay. Well, now if you want, let's be honest. Ijele is a sellout. Not the honest. Not the honest. Why are you guys being honest? I couldn't enjoy them. Who is the right sense would be looking for? Nasida onye nwere no right sense. Onye nwere common sense. Onye nwere common sense. Onye nwere common sense. Utele nwere common sense. Okwo enwe. Under this the ka ga na-ese ya. Ọ dị ka ngam bịara na ma na-ele somebody na akụ inyo. Ihe na-ekwu a na-aba m na brain. I'll be listening to you. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Mama, tell us story about the court you went to now.
About you know the two noisy. I'm gonna give you a discussion about court here now.
Okay. I want to know, that's why now.
About you know the two noisy because
Okay, can you cheat?
church of me, but I get sorry about the court. The court they are being you know if information after J Park reportage. After J Park reportage, you know the low down. Oh J Park. Just my J Park walk down. The J Park follow J Park update yo. Nah, follow the J Park is oh the bre. Get on a show. Oh, get the coach as nah. J Park is no good. Sometimes we just have but your ginger they make me struggle. Share look at you. So you know get liver. That you can never see person will get liver like you. That J Park like this. I could say, Bobble, I'm not. Sit out, sit out. That's why I love you. But Depak is mad. Depak is very nice person. Udela here now I'm a little die pop. But I'm a cook up. But I go blow you. I give a cook up. Then I'm a little. They want my practice here. Yo, cha cha, cha cha, cha. My but I can't get nyegi. Oboka. They made the videos and them therefore be a piano. Videos get down me. Work and got piano. I got my piano. Piano. Got piano. Don't get a bella concession in the back. Call up map and you. Nobody just my penyo give nigga bang and a penyon do to give. I come man, I just swallow. Just they watch me with one eye. Facebook got Jonathan. Oh, Facebook got you. People have to create content. If you don't know what to create, you close your Facebook. You want to go? I need a request to call. Who is this one? Facebook must be a peaceful place. Facebook must be a peaceful environment. Very peaceful. You only respect you, mind their business. But crime in community will come back to haunt you from this year to the upper year.
Mama keeps smiling. Mama keeps smiling.
Onye me kanu kwa eche mi tapiala no why kana edendo.
Mama no kwa mana abiam di busy.
Okay.
Abiam di busy.
Akwa Enugu ke no.
Yes ma.
Akwa na omo anwe zero bitters no na Enugu. Zero bitters.
Even the update.
Omo wa ga na distribute ya na Enugu.
Anyị nọ ya na anụ kwa n'ihe ọzọ anyị na-arụ na-abụrụ ego mmanya na-enye anyị obi aṅụrị.
Omo Enugu branch, omo Enugu, omo with the distributor all the whole Enugu states. Omo.
Emeni gwa na ebe the office dị na.
Na age menu commercial na. Age men commercial.
Udodi.
No de la.
Afọ the latest update.
Is again.
From the latest update. So sigi yabe ya fa woto.
Udela galige. Udela lagu le
woto.
Udela lagu we.
Aya de mono.
Ani ajere mono ayi ka diri mono na.
Oya mero. Ndị ọzọ ya ama ihe ha mara ihe.
Agbasa dị m ma ba ka na agbasa hụ. Eti ko sai mi.
Aya ama ihe amara ihe afụzi m njizi adị anọfụ ndị na-ayụ ka
ọkụ. Nobody will go unpunished. Nobody will go unpunished. All of them. Onye ọra ga-awụta mkpụrụ ọkụ.
Chai, afọ m ndị na-ayụ ka ọkụ onwe ndị na-echenji topic ha na-echenji topic na-adivert.
Already too late. Let's say my woman with everything in India. Like and when he came
asị ha na ọ bụrụ nge wa mma ị na-atagbute ipibute edu ya gbuo ị da-azụ osiri ọshịa ị na-eji waya depụta so that ijide onye ahụ
like everybody must answer their call. And when you got about your phone here.
Sure. For sure. That one na for sure. That one na for sure.
Ishi ni wuno shite. Iwuno shite. Ishi ni hodara. I'm chef a lot of chef. I'm telling you, a lot of chef and a lot of men who chef. Very, very well. Very, very well. I'm telling you.
Where the age open okay men n'ụwa tọkwara ụtọ na anyị na-eme ụwa dị hard. Ụwa tọkwara ụtọ anyị na-eme ụwa dị hard.
Udela shi na ọgwụ na trouble nri ya. Sa a ga-enye ya ahụ ya eri.
Oliwe nian.
A ga-enye ya the food ya eri.
Ebe mmadụ ga-abụ okunite ọ sị na ọ chọrọ ime ihe dị ụta. You give that person space ya mee ya.
ebe ka Kim nọ na ana m hate Kim izo ebe nọ biko pụta where you dey no lekwa no nsogbu ebe ha ideziri
ọ bụrụ moto ibu kịta or another one nke ị na-achọ ka ya
ọ ka Kim ọ ya nọ ọ nọ somewhere hide ọ nọ n'ime akpa ma ụmụ nwaanyị na ngwongwo na ụmụ nwaanyị na-eme ka ndị ara
ngwongwo ahụ ịpa wee pụọ ịma mmetụrụ ya aka ị gacha ebe ị na-aga natakwa mana ị ga-ala ike
ụmụ na like ịkpa ngwongwo ụmụ na ngwongwo 5
plate ya adreesị Akụzoro biko ka anyị hụgodo Akụzoro ka anyị hụ Akụzoro zoro bitas
ngwanụ m hapụghị
I ga na-promote ya emechaa na aka mmeri ya shout out tag ya gị
okay ngwanụ bye bye